Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing for you. If you're wondering what's going on with my skin, I am currently doing my skincare routine as the weather is changing. My skin is suddenly screaming for additional attention and telling baby I love you. Glam Glow Gravity Mud Pink Glitter Mask on, and I used a little applicator that came with it. We're waiting for it to dry, and look at all that glitter. Fabulous, just like me. You guys have any recommendations for a wintertime heavy moisturizing face cream? Please let me know and drop it below in the comments, and I will do my best to check them out. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I went ahead and removed the tape and my shipping label. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what she has to offer. Let's see what it has in store. So opening it up, we do have this cute charcoal gray tissue paper, and in the box, ooh, it's sideways. Oh my gosh, it's bigger than I was expecting. I'm gonna toss the box aside. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 2 Launch Day Packaging. God, it's blue and it's perfect and I love it so much. Dreamy. Back chevron lines all the way across with a holographic blue background. We open her up, the holographic inside with the Anastasia Beverly Hills logo. You can see the light reflecting here. We also have the volume 2 and an eye primer. Wow, it's got some weight to it. And again, the very nice lined box as well. They really take care of their products. 25 deluxe size, high performance shades for professional grade artistry with maximum payoff. Right there. Warning, not intended for immediate eye area. So I'm going to assume it's these dyes up here that were not FDA approved, although I am unsure and I will have to research it a little bit more to fully find out. Come out! Ooh! So I took it out of the first box, and then it comes in another black sleeve, and ooh, look at that. It's a tinny packaging. Really so beyond stoked for this palette. All of those gorgeous shades into one palette makes me a very, very happy camper. The lid actually stops. It doesn't lay fully flat, and it stops kind of like a booklet. Like I can't push it down any more than that. So that's nice, it stands up on its own. Now, these don't have specific names like sunshine, rainbow, sparkles. No. These are named much like a chessboard. We have A, B, C, D, E, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2, B3, B4, 5, so on and so forth. True ultra fashion, I do have to swatch all of these. However, I am going to try a new way of swatching, and let me know what you think in the comments below. In the meantime, I do believe there was something else in that package. And we still have the eye primer to check out. That is a very cute close-up of the logo. I like the holographic packaging. I really like the close-up here. This is again the eye primer out of the box. Bam! I like that it matches. Very cute. Open it up this way. Wow, that's it. Shit. Oh no, I opened it and it's already dripping out all over the place. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay. I wasn't ready to put on any eyeshadow just yet, but let's use wet squeeze out of the tube. So there we are. I'm just rubbing some pigment to it. It looks like it's more of a lighter color, and it's still just pouring out of this. I should call them. This is not acceptable. Like, I'm not even squeezing the tube and it's just pouring out of the box. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's just pouring out. I don't want to even hold this because this is really, like, that's bad. I don't think that all of this product should be just pouring out, and not to mention that this cap has a lot in it already and we barely took it out of the packaging. Like, that's not okay. Pour it out. I wasn't intending on using it right now, but there you go. So it looks like a little does go a decently long way. It did cover the entirety of the back of my hand, and you can see I still have some pockets of wet spot here that I could spread around a bit more. Gross. Like, I don't want to open up a product and have like a third of it leak all over the place. Like, why? And it should be. Okay. It's supposed to be a little black compact mirror. Are you fucking kidding me? I did not receive the compact mirror, which is indeed on my receipt. So there's that. So a little update. I went ahead and I received an automated email from the Anastasia website that said if I had any other questions, go ahead and contact this phone number. So I went ahead and called them. In the process, I did get a little frustrated while I was on the phone, and I did peel off my Glam Glow mud mask, and my skin felt wonderful. It did need more hydration, so I went ahead and put some serums on there. You can see I still have glitter flakes everywhere after peeling it off. I'm waiting for this to dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on some moisturizer. I actually ended up getting a hold of someone right away. The lady who answered the call was not necessarily the best person to talk to. I think she took my tone as more angry than it was. I think she kind of took it like I was attacking her, when from my perspective I was just trying to get some information and ask her some additional questions so I can educate myself. I advised her about the eye primer that leaked all over the place, and that the compact mirror that was on promo was not included, even though my email says both were confirmed and ordered and would be arriving with that order number. I told her, you know, I've had it in the past from other companies where, you know, they send apologetic emails saying, you know, I'm sorry, this promo was no longer available, try again later, or, you know, I'm sorry, we're unable to fulfill this order, please see modifications, and then you log in online and look at your order status. So I asked her, well, why was it confirmed? And she proceeded to get an attitude saying it's, well, while supplies last. It says right on there, it's a while supplies last. And I was like, okay, no, I get it. I know what while supplies last means, but do you send emails like, oh, we're sorry, this is unavailable? She proceeded to just raise her voice a bit more, saying it's while supplies last, it's while supplies last. This is what while supplies last means. Why don't you understand what while supplies last means? And I was like, no, I understand. Is those like we're so sorry emails something that you guys do? Because I didn't receive one, and I think that's something that, you know, would have been more understanding. She just proceeded to tell me that packages come from Tennessee and then they go here and there and everywhere before they finally get to us. And so by the time it gets to, I think she said, their distribution center or what have you, they're not able to send out emails, and that's when they know at that time that the order would be unable to be fulfilled. My suggestion is two things. From a customer perspective, I would try to implement some sort of system where, even if it's an automated, you know, message, that's cool. Just some sort of like, hey, you know, we're so sorry. There's been some changes to your order. Please log in online email. So we as consumers are aware of the product or changes to our order. Even if it's a promo, it's fine. You know, just as long as we know. 2, my second suggestion is to that rep in particular. I did mention I would be posting this experience online, and she said that's fine. And I also advised her that I would be reaching out to Norvina and Anastasia, which I did. I put in a Twitter announcement of the experience and tagged them both in it. I doubt they'll ever see it. They're so busy, and I don't think I'll get a response from them, but I want to put it out there. If you had a bad call, let's say prior, or having a bad day prior, you cannot take it out on the customer. I was not attacking her. If she had a bad call before me, she took it out on me. Like I was trying to be bad to her, and I wasn't. I'm just trying to ask additional questions so I can educate myself. Like I had asked her, oh, she said that they're out of stock. Is there something where, because it did say it was confirmed, that a second package would be arriving later on? I said, is it kind of like, you know, wait list kind of thing? And she said, no, there's no way for her to do that. She did mention that I can go ahead and place more orders during the holidays, and they would be having additional holiday promos, but she cannot guarantee that I'll receive anything as they are all while supplies last. And I said, you can't do that. You can't push more promos on me saying I need to spend more money and that you're not going to guarantee anything. And she's like, well, I don't know what you want me to do. I would do it for you, but I can't. It's while supplies last. I was like, okay. But that's not a resolution at all. I'm just trying to educate myself. When I asked you if the second package was arriving, the answer was no. I asked you if there's a wait list, they said no. That's really just the end of that. And it sucked, and I was disappointed. So my overall feedback, which I was trying to tell her, was, hey, bring this up in the next meeting, would be the apology emails. I didn't think it'd be that hard, and in fact, I think that'd be a really great incentive. So, no compact mirror for me, and I'm sad. I did have to take a picture of the eye primer and my order slip and then email it to them, so I did that already, and we'll see what happens from there. But alright, so I guess that was the end of that unboxing. I am incredibly disappointed. You can't do that to people. You know, I understand if you have a bad call or a bad day on the phones, but that's when you gotta go and take a break and go get something to drink or something to eat. Maybe you're hangry. I don't know. You know, I'm not you. That's it. That's really my unboxing. I'm very sad and just disappointed right now, but I'll get over it. It's really no big deal. You know, life goes on. I have a gorgeous palette to work with. I was very happy to get the launch day packaging promo. Hopefully they're gonna fix the eye primer issue, so that'll be non-existent anymore, and hopefully that'll just redeem itself right then and there. Alright guys, so if you like this unboxing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. If you've had any bad customer service experiences, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and let's talk about it. Alright guys, you take care and have a gorgeous day. Bye-bye.